Chickpeas are part of the legume family just like beans and peas. They are a staple in Middle Eastern cuisine, and they are also getting popular worldwide. This is mostly because they are high in protein just like other legume types, so they are a great meat alternative for vegans and vegetarians. Hello guys! I'm Agnes and this is the Bites Fitness YouTube channel, continuing with our Food Fundamentals series. And in today's video we are talking about chickpeas. I have a can of chickpeas here and their health benefits. Chickpeas are high in fiber, vitamins and antioxidants. Chickpeas are a staple in a vegan diet. The fiber and the protein helps you feel full longer and control your appetite. So they are ideal if you want to lose weight or if you want to sustain your healthy weight. Protein is also very important for muscle mass and muscle building. So if you are working out or exercising regularly, you definitely should pay more attention to your protein intake. Though chickpeas are rich in fiber and protein, they are low in calories and fat, so they are an incredibly healthy option to add to your diet. The fiber in chickpeas can help you with a healthy digestion. The fibers in chickpeas are mostly soluble, so they can feed the good bacteria in your gut. This can reduce the risk of digestive issues like IBS or colon cancer. Chickpeas have a low glycemic index, which means how your blood sugar rises after eating a meal. So chickpeas can help you control your blood sugar level and reduce the risk of diabetes or insulin resistance. Protein and fiber-rich foods like chickpeas are also a great option for people who suffer with diabetes, because those can help with sustaining healthy blood sugar levels. Chickpeas are quite rich in potassium and magnesium, both of which are important factors to heart health. They can reduce blood pressure and they can reduce the risk of heart disease, which is unfortunately the #1 cause of death in the world. Magnesium is essential for muscle health and it can release muscle tension. It is especially important if you are working out, and it can also help you during stressful times. Unfortunately, not many of our food contains magnesium, so you should definitely pay attention to your magnesium intake. Studies show that chickpeas can reduce the risk of certain cancer types like colon cancer, because they can reduce inflammation in the colon cells. They can be also helpful with breast and lung cancers. Chickpeas should be a very healthy yet quite affordable staple in your diet. You can make hummus dip, you can add them to your salads or your pastas, or you can make one of my favorites, a chickpea curry. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. If you liked it, please make sure to hit the thumbs up button and leave us a comment below whether you found it helpful or not. Please share it with a friend who might find it interesting as well. And if you haven't yet, please subscribe to the Bites Fitness YouTube channel and hit that notification bell, because we post new videos for you guys every weekday. Until the next one, bye guys! At Bites Fitness, our mission is to become and stay healthy together with you. And we provide health and nutrition information and healthy recipes. If you are interested, please make sure to subscribe to the Bites Fitness YouTube channel, because we post new videos daily.